When I say attendre, what do you think is the meaning in English? Wait, do not rush. Because this is a first French. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of them. Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur French Fan Academy. Dans la vidéo d'aujourd'hui, nous allons parler des faux amis. In French and English, false friends are words that appear similar but have different meaning or usage. It is important to know this set of words in order to have an accurate understanding. Aujourd'hui, regardons 5 faux amis. Numéro 1, reste versus rest. In English, to rest is to rest. It would be when you are tired or when you deserve a rest. But in French, rester doesn't mean to rest. Instead, it means to stay, to remain, or to be left out. Par exemple, je reste à la maison aujourd'hui. I stay at home today. So rester means to stay, not to rest. Numéro 2, attendre versus attend. So attendre in French means to wait for, not to attend, which means in English to anticipate. Un exemple, j'attends que le bus arrive. I'm waiting for the bus to arrive. So j'attends means to wait for, not to attend. Numéro 3, délivrer versus deliver. In French, délivrer means to set free, when deliver means to distribute. So look at this example. Je suis délivré de mes péchés, which means I'm set free from my sins. Numéro 4, supplier and supply. In French, supplier means to implore, to beg. Meanwhile, supply simply means to provide. An example in French. Je te supplie de me donner un peu de temps, which means I'm imploring you to give me some time. Finally, let's look at achever versus achieve. And for this one, I want you to tell me, what do you think achever means in the comments? Merci, à très bientôt pour notre vidéo.